Hello, everyone. In this video, I will show you how to turn on or turn off the activity status in your RedNote account. It's a simple process, so let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open the app and head to your profile by clicking on Me at the bottom of the screen. Once there, tap on the three white lines in the top left corner to open the menu. Next, scroll down and select Settings. On the Settings page, look for the option labeled Privacy Settings and tap on it. Under Privacy Settings, you'll find the Activity Status option. If you want others to see when you're active, select Public to enable it. However, if you prefer more privacy, simply select Turn Off, and your activity status will be hidden from everyone. And that's it. Super quick and easy. Don't forget to save any changes you make. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more easy-to-follow guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.